Why do 80% of cyber professionals start with Kali Linux? Because it's the foundation of their success. Unlock your potential with our comprehensive cybersecurity courses. Whether you're just starting or looking to advance, we've got you covered. First up, Kali Linux Fundamentals. Dive into the essentials of Kali Linux, the leading platform for penetration testing and security research. This course equips you with foundational skills to navigate the system, understand its tools, and begin your journey in ethical hacking. Next, Advanced Kali Linux. Take your skills to the next level with this course. Explore advanced techniques and tools used in penetration testing, including exploitation and post-exploitation. Perfect for those ready to tackle complex security challenges. Finally, Web Application Penetration Testing using Kali Linux. Focus on the critical area of web application security. Learn how to perform penetration testing on web applications using Kali Linux tools. Gain hands-on experience in identifying vulnerabilities and securing web applications against attacks. Enroll today. Take the first step towards your cybersecurity career. Whether you're looking to upskill, change careers, or expand your knowledge, we have the perfect course for you.